aside, little guys. Maybe I'll grab my hive tool in case I don't want to actually touch them. I'm gonna try doing this without gloves because I'm crazy. Okay, you want to start filming? Or are you filming?
You ready?
Ready? Okay. Yeah. This is beekeeping part 2. Second year of beekeeping. So the goal is this is bee candy, and I've got to put that in the bee cage, which I have to get out of here. So the first thing I'm supposed to do is knock all the bees out, or bees down, like that, which doesn't make them too happy. There's the queen cage. Okay, so this is the queen cage. Some bees on it. And if you want to see the queen, she's in there, running around. See her black abdomen? All right. And now I gotta pull the cork out of this and then put the candy in so that she can be released. Without getting stung. That is the part where I forgot to bring the knife. All right, you want to stop filming for a second, and while I gotta go get a knife or something.
I'll go get your knife.